Hello, my name is Robert Bain and I work for the WHO UNICEF Joint Monitoring Programme for Water Supply, Sanitation and Hygiene. In this video I'm going to give a brief demonstration of the water quality test that's now been included in over 30 countries in nationally representative household surveys. The module was developed in collaboration with UNICEF's Multiple Indicator Cluster Survey and is being included in an increasing number of other surveys. In each household that's selected for water quality testing, the respondent is asked for a glass of water that members of the household would usually drink, and the interviewer asks to visit the source of that glass of drinking water. So there are 2 tests per household. Let's have a look at the kit. First we have a filtration unit with sterile funnels and a membrane. We've got a dehydrated nutrient plate, a small sterile syringe, a larger syringe to pull a vacuum through the filtration unit, an alcohol wipe, alcohol sanitizer, a permanent marker pen and some forceps. Lastly, we have an incubation belt which is used to grow the E. coli colonies. So let's get started. I've got a glass of water here which I can use for the test. First off, we need to sanitize your hands to ensure that you don't inadvertently contaminate the sample. Next, using an alcohol wipe, we can sterilise the top of the manifold and the forceps. Next, one of the membranes needs to go on top of the filtration unit. So I'm just going to discard this blue bit of paper and put the membrane filter on top of the filtration unit. Next, being very careful not to touch the inside of the funnel, we can get one of those and place it on top of the membrane. Now we're ready to pour the glass of water, up to 100 millilitres, into the funnel. Next up, using one of the small syringes, going to take 1 millilitre to hydrate the nutrient plate. Next, we need to open the valve on the filtration unit and draw the remaining sample through the membrane. Sometimes this can take 2 pulls. And what we're doing here is any bacteria in the sample will remain on the top of this membrane. So we can remove the funnel, pop it over there, and transfer, using these forceps, the membrane on top of the nutrient pad. The nutrient pad is now ready for incubation. Once the nutrient pad has been incubated for 24 hours, either in the incubation belt or in a portable electric incubator, teams can record the number of E. coli colonies, which will form small blue dots, as we'll see in a minute. Teams are then instructed to disinfect the samples using a chlorine tablet before disposing of them.